In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PayPal app on Android. If you want the safest, simplest way to get the real PayPal app on your phone, this guide will walk you through it clearly, start to finish. We're going to use the Google Play Store, which is the official app marketplace on Android. This matters because installing the app from trusted sources keeps your money and personal information secure. Avoid downloading APK files from random websites. Those can be altered, unsafe, or even malicious. The official routes are the Google Play Store and links from the official PayPal website that point you back to the Play Store. Go ahead and open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Its icon looks like a multicolored triangle. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top and type PayPal. In the results, look for the listing called PayPal, Pay, Send, Save. Make sure it's by PayPal Mobile. That developer name confirms it's the genuine app. You'll likely notice it has well over 100 million downloads and lots of reviews, which is another good sign you're in the right place. Tap on the app to open its page, then tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection, so be patient and keep the Play Store open. When it's done, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the app right away. You'll also find the PayPal icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access later. That's the entire process. Installing from the Play Store ensures you get the latest official version of PayPal, which lets you send money, pay online, and manage your account using built-in security features and regular updates. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and safe. Confirm you're in the Google Play Store before installing. The official app should show PayPal Mobile as the developer. If your download seems slow, switch to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. If you're low on storage, clearing space can help the installation finish successfully. And remember, do not sideload APKs from third-party sites. Even if they promise faster downloads, those shortcuts can expose you to hacking or scams. You're all set. By following the official path, you've installed the real PayPal app the right way, and you can now use it confidently whenever you need it.